Okay, we have our light set up, so we are doing an actual content related video. We're going to do a review, a food review. I found a new flavor of Gatorade at the store. I'm on my period, so I have to extra hydrate. And I know people are going to tell me just drink water. No. I do drink water. Okay, that's a joke. So the new flavor is called Lightning Blast. And I have no idea what it is. It's very clear. From the looks of it, it looks like it's going to be like, I feel like it's going to be a light grape berry mix. And just this based on the color of the label and the Lightning Blast name. I don't know why that sounds like a grape berry mix, but you sound like a grape berry mix. Okay. Why do I smell kiwi? I taste nothing. Do I have COVID? It's COVID flavored. No flavor at all. That's not accurate though. It has a flavor. I just can't. It's so faint. I can't pick it up. Melon. Friend tastes melon. I don't taste anything at all. I'm hoping it'll help hydrate me at least. Because it's not bad. It's just, you know, it tastes a little bit like those Propel waters that just had a little bit of flavor in them. But friend tastes melon, so we're going to go with its melon flavored. Lightning Blast is melon flavored. We're still getting the hang of these reviews. At least we got the light set up. It kind of hurts my eyes.